Hello students, welcome to this session of Understanding Elementary Shapes. Actually this is very important chapter in maths and interesting chapter too. The first one we are going to discuss in this chapter, length and its comparison. Revolution, right angle and straight angle, acute and obtuse angle, reflex angle, perpendicular lines, perpendicular bisector, classification of triangles, then polygon. The first one I am going to explain, length and its comparison. Actually, what is length? Why we use length? Suppose we want to draw any diagram, we complete any diagram, now we need length. So, the length is actually the distance between the end points of a line segment. That is actually length. The next one is comparison. A graduated ruler and the divider are useful to compare lengths of line segments. The next one is revolution. When a hand of a clock moves from one position to another position, we have an example for an angle. That is very simple example. We have to use a regular life, that is a hand clock only. So using hand clock, we have to easily understand the concept of the angle. Okay. Actually, one full turn of the hand is one revolution. The next one is acute right angle, straight angle, obtuse angle, reflex angle. These are all angles only. So, I will explain briefly in this concept angles. Next one is perpendicular lines. The next one is perpendicular bisector. Then classification of triangles, that is types of triangles. Then finally polygon. Next one, definition for length. The distance between the end points of a line segment is its length. This is the starting point is A and the ending point is B. The distance between AB is actually 7 cm. So, the distance between the end points of a line segment is its length only. Suppose we want to complete one square now. First we need AB value, BC value, CD value, DA value. Then only we have to complete the diagram. So, length is very important. The next one, comparison. A graduated ruler and the divider are useful to compare lengths of line segment. Actually in geometric box, these ruler and divider are very important. These are help to find out the compare lengths of line segment. The next one is revolution. When a hand of a clock moves from one position to another one position, we have an example for an angle. Actually, the first one is right angle. Next, we have to move the 3 to 6 means that is actually straight angle. So, easily we have to using that hand clock, we have to calculate particular angle. Next one is angles. Actually, what is an angle? Two rays starting from a common endpoint is called actually angle. Here we are going to discuss about types of angles. The first one is right angle. Actually, right angle means exactly that is 90 degree. The next one is acute angle. Actually, acute angle means that is less than 90 degree. The next one is obtuse angle. Obtuse angle is greater than 90 degree. The next one, straight angle. Straight angle means exactly 180 degree. And the another one is reflex angle. Reflex angle is greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. Now I am going to explain briefly about right angle. Actually, the measure of a right angle is 90 degree and hence that of a straight angle is 180 degree. So exactly 90 degree we get na, that is right angle. Exactly 180 degree we get na, that is a straight angle. And the another one is 90 degree. Less than 90 degree and greater than 90 degree. An acute angle, if its measure is smaller than of a right angle and its obtuse is actually greater than of a right angle and less than a straight angle. So, less than 0 to 90 degree means that is acute angle. Greater than 90 degree, less than 180 degree means that is obtuse angle. Another one is reflex angle. What is reflex angle? A reflex angle is larger than a straight angle, that is greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. This is very important. Reflex angle is greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. Next one, definition for right angle and straight angle. The measure of a right angle is 90 degree and hence that of a straight angle is 180 degree. Exactly we get 90 degree means that is right angle. Exactly 180 degree means that is straight angle. Acute and obtuse angle. An angle is acute if its measure is less than 90 degree and is obtuse angle if its measure is greater than 90 degree. The next one is reflex angle. An angle is reflex angle if its measure is greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. That is reflex angle. And the next one, perpendicular lines. Two intersecting lines are perpendicular if the angle between them is 90 degree. Actually, two lines meeting at one point. The time we get a 90 degree means the two lines are called intersecting lines. The next one is perpendicular bisector. What is perpendicular bisector? What is the use of the perpendicular bisector? Actually, the perpendicular bisector divides the line segment into two equal parts. The perpendicular bisector of a line segment is perpendicular to the line segment that divides into two equal parts of a line. Actually, this line value is 4 cm. Here we draw one perpendicular bisector. This perpendicular bisector divides the line segment into two equal parts, that is 2 cm, 2 cm. The next one is triangles, then types of triangles. Actually, what is triangle? Triangle is a three-sided closed figure. It has three sides, three angles and three vertices. Now we are going to discuss types of triangles. Here classification of triangles means it based on sides and based on angles also. First, based on sides. Based on sides means first one is equilateral triangle. That is actually all the three sides of a triangle are equal means that is equilateral triangle. AB value 5 cm, BC 5 cm and AC 5 cm. So it is an equilateral triangle. The next one is isosceles triangle. Any two sides of a triangle are equal means it is an isosceles triangle. The next one is scalene triangle. All the three side values are different means it is scalene triangle. The next one, types of triangles based on angles. Actually, any one of angle of a triangle is 90 degree means it is right angled triangle. All the angles are acute angle means it is acute angled triangle. Any one of the angle is obtuse. Obtuse means more than 90 degree. So that type of triangle is called obtuse angled triangle. Exercise 5.1, first problem. What is the disadvantage in comparing line segments by mere observation? Actually, there is a more chance of error due to improper viewing. Suppose some person saying that value is actually 6 cm, some person saying that value is 5 cm, so, some little bit error is also happened. So there is a more chance of error due to improper viewing. Okay. The answer is there is a more chance of error due to improper viewing. The next one, why is it better to use the divider than a ruler while measuring the length of a line segment? Actually, it is better to use a divider than a ruler while measuring the length of a line segment because accurate measurement will be possible using divider only. So, what is the answer for this? Accurate measurement will be possible using divider only. Next problem, draw any line segment AB, take any point C lying in between A and B, measure the lengths of AB, BC and AC. Is AB equal to AC plus CB? This is our question. First we are going to draw a line segment, our own measurement only. Now I am going to choose a 5 cm measurement. Okay, take a scale and draw one line segment, that is actually the starting value is A and the ending value is B. The whole value is actually 5 cm. Now what is the next one given? Take any point as C. Suppose I am going to mark C here. Okay. Just measure the value. What is the actually AB value? Whole AB value is 5 cm. Now measure the BC value first. What is the BC value? That is exactly 1.6. Now you just measure the AC value. That is 3.4 centimeter. Now you just look at the value. AB value is 5 centimeter, BC value 1.6 centimeter, and the AC value 3.4 centimeter. Now add the AC plus BC value, that is 1.6 centimeter plus 3.4 centimeter. So what is the answer? 5.0 centimeter. So we have to take, that is 5 centimeter only. So AC plus BC 5 centimeter, that value is actually AB. So we get AC plus BC is equal to AB only. What is our question? Is AB equal to AC plus CB? Yes is the answer. Next problem, if A, B, C are 3 points on a line such that AB equal to 5 centimeter, BC equal to 3 centimeter and AC equal to 8 centimeter, which one of them lies between the other two? That is our question. First write the given, that is AB equal to 5 centimeter and BC equal to 3 centimeter and AC is equal to 8 centimeter. Okay. First, we know AB plus BC is equal to 5 centimeter plus 3 centimeter is equal to 8 centimeter. So, first draw one line segment using scale. What is the value? That is whole value AC equal to 8 centimeter. What is the AB value? That is 5 centimeter. BC value, that is 3 centimeter. Mention it A, B, C. This is actually 5 centimeter value and this one is 3 centimeter value. Now you just look at the value. AB plus BC is equal to AC. So B lies between A and C. That's all. Next question, draw 5 triangles and measure their sides. Check in each case if the sum of the length of any two sides is always less than the third side. We are going to draw triangles, then we have to measure their sides. Check. Then we have to check the sides of the triangle. Sum of the length of the any two sides is always less than the third side. That is our question. First I am going to draw the first triangle, that is all the three side values are equal only I am going to choose. So the first side value is AB 3. BC also 3 and the AC value also 3. Okay, this is the first triangle ABC, 5 centimeter. What is the value? 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter. Okay, now AB equal to BC equal to AC. All the three side values are 3 centimeter only. Now we just check the value AB plus BC. That is actually 3 plus 3 6. That is greater than the third side value. Okay, next take the next two value BC plus AC. Again 6, it is greater than AB. And the next one another two sides, no. So AC plus AB. AC also 3, AB also 3, 6 centimeter is greater than, another one side is BC. So you just check it, AB plus BC greater than AC, BC plus AC greater than AB, and AC plus AB greater than BC. Okay, next we have to check the second triangle. Here sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side only. Okay, now we have to check the using the second triangle. Three centimeter, AB value 4 centimeter. Join the next two sides of the triangle. That is 5 centimeter. So AB 4 centimeter, BC 3 centimeter and AC 5 centimeter. Now check the value. AB plus BC, that is 4 plus 3 equal to 7 centimeter. It is greater than AC value. Next, BC plus AC. What is the BC value? 3. AC value 5 is equal to greater than, actually BC plus AC value is greater than AB, because AB is 4 centimeter. No. The next one, actually AC plus AB. What is the AC value? 5 centimeter. And the AB value 4 centimeter. 9 value is greater than BC. Now also you just check it. The sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side only.